Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sisters very well. I come back with another crypto related video. So this is the new mining site. So joining this site. Uh, Now I introduce this channel. Before I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. Here is it two parts. One part crypto related video uploaded in this and other part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information thus related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We will receive all notification very fastly. So I have introduced my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you have a core mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Other option, you can collect your essential card from my Telegram group. So many of the people show their hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. I hope you also joining my Telegram. Every day joining many member in my Telegram. I hope you also joining this my Telegram group. Here is a many types information crypto related available here. And have you any problem faced? Please share your problem in my Telegram. I hope anyone can also get feedback to you. So some other many type crypto mining related link share. So please joining this link and you will get benefit from this site. I also try to a new link for you. So please when I put share this link, you must be fastly joining this site. Okay, I also request to you, please don't forget or uh, don't forget joining in code mining team. So how to join this core mining? Here is a folder I also create. How to process fast to last. This folder name is core mining registration video. If please click on this video, step by step you can uh, process finish the process. Here is a process, second process, third process, how to increase your mining power. So here is all process available here. If you fourth option, 5%, add to MetaMask, add to Twitter, all everything information available here. So I request you, please do not waste your time. Go to mining and keep watching this video, and please increase your mining power. Now I show you this is the new Tron mining site. This site already 1 day is running. Also already deposit this site. So I request to you, please joining this site and keep mining. আপনারা এই সাইটটাতে জয়েন হন। এটা TRX একটা মাইনিং সাইট, অলরেডি আমি এখানে বিনিয়োগ করেছি। সো এটার 1 day রানিং। So I request to you, please joining this site. If you deposit this option, please click this deposit and minimum deposit 1 TRX. সো খুব এখানে আপনার ডিপোজিট যদি করতে চান তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে 1 TRX আপনারা ডিপোজিট করতে হবে। উইথড্র মিনিমাম উইথড্র 8 TRX. ওকে, affiliated, if you any invited people, you get 7% commission if the purchase of investment plan, and 0.003 per registration. Okay, so I request you please joining this site and keep mining this site. Okay, now I show you how to complete or joining this site. আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো কিভাবে এখানে জয়েনিং হতে হয়. So when you come to this site, here is their dashboard. So this miner already free mining site is very simple. Only you have set your up your account, you start mining coin, use the TRX wallet service, you get 10 TS free gigahash power. So you need to Tron address, go to your wallet and collect your TRC or ERC Tron address. So collect and paste here. So I request to you is suitable for TRC20 address. Okay, choose your have you choose this plan if you want to invest. Man in this side has a minimum 50 TRX investment plan. When you're joining this site, you got this plan 3.5 TRX every per week. Okay, 15 TRX per year, and also 10 TS power. Okay, now here is a 6 type plan here. So if you choose this option, you can easily choose this. Already joining member show here. আপনারা ওখানে দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন. Some other withdraw last paid also show you. 18 TRX already investment this site. Okay, so day online 0. If you have any question, this there is a show here. So I show you how to join this. Please go to your address and type your TRC20 address. Also now I go to my TRC20 address. Now I press my TRC20 address and enter option. Okay, the mining is started. Okay, it's easy process. So I think this video is useful to you. So I request you please joining this site. আপনারা দেখছেন সহজ হয়ে গেছে, জাস্ট TRC20 আপনার অ্যাড্রেসটা নিয়ে আসবেন। মানে ERC20টা আমরা করে নিই, বাট আমি মনে সাজেস্ট করবো আপনারা TRC20 আপনার ওয়ালেটে খোঁজ করে নিয়ে আসবেন। একটা সহজ জিনিস, আপনারা অবশ্যই এখানে মাইনিং করুন। আশা করি ভিডিওটা আপনাদের জন্য ভালোই হয়েছে, উপকারী হয়েছে। তো যদি মনে হয় তাহলে লাইক করুন, আর আপনারা ভুলে যাবেন না সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে, এবং তাছাড়া আপনার টেলিগ্রামে যুক্ত হতেও ভুল করবেন না। So I request you please don't forget my subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget joining my Telegram. Everything I share my Telegram group. So I request you please joining my Telegram group. Okay, and share your problem. Take care of yourself, and every time remember to Allah. It's a prayer time, so pray for me. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.